Park Avenue, 3800 Series 2. This motor mount, actually it's a transmission mount, is loose. Started shifting hard earlier, and I noticed that the engine felt like it was loose for a while, and I think it finally let go. So I'm going to put this down and show you what it does. Alright guys, tools you're going to need for this job: 15mm socket for those studs on the transmission, 3/8 drive, 1/2-inch drive, 1/2-inch extensions, 18mm socket for the studs on the mount itself, a breaker bar or an impact wrench, 1/2-inch, and then this is the replacement part, it's a 2897. If you have the time to wait, order this on Rock Auto. It was like $15 on there. I didn't have the time, so I went to my local Advance Auto, and this was like 60-some bucks. But I had it. If you look around on the internet, you can find a 20% off coupon usually for those places. So, all right, here we are in the shop now. From what I understand, got an 18mm here. There's another 18mm on the bottom of this frame brace. And then on the transmission side, we've got 1, 2, 3 15mm studs, I think. What we're going to do on the bottom is brace up that transmission so that we're not putting all the weight on this. We're going to lift that up, and then we'll start loosening these bolts up.
This is an uncomfortable spot, people.
Yes, it's an uncomfortable spot.
First thing.
Here's the 18mm on the bottom. You can see this thing rides low. Look at the scrapes on there.
Yeah, I can. Like, literally, I can usually fit lower than this.
Yeah.
Usually don't have to do it.
So I'm going to take this one off, and then I'm going to brace the transmission, or the engine, and just kind of make sure there isn't a bunch of weight on up here.
Okay.
You need to focus on what I'm doing though, okay?
I'll try to. I got it, Dave. Is that good?
Not quite. So
that's good.
Too close. Come on.
I'll move it down. Yeah, that's a good spot.
Oh, that is tight. Oh, baby, that's tight. Okay, we might need a breaker bar for that. Okay, nut removed. Let's go up top. Alright, now we're going to take the top nut off, hopefully.
And it's a nut.
It is a nut, that's correct.
It actually is a nut. A school put it there.
Well, not that kind of nut.
It is.
How this works.
I hope one of these books don't come alive from this, saying that they all get caught on.
Okay. Top nut is off. Now we need to brace the transmission. And you can see what I'm doing here. This is the transmission fluid pan. This is the engine oil pan. That mount is about right here. So I'm gonna put the jack up against the engine here and just apply some upward pressure so that we can get these studs out. Now you never want to put the jack straight to the metal oil pan or the transmission pan. You'll poke a hole right through it. So let's keep in mind these transmission lines. So try and be very cognizant of where you're going here.
Nobody told me you started the camera back up again.
Sorry.
You're evil.
I'm not. You see the whole car lifted up?
Yes, I can. I can see it's lifting up.
Okay. That should have enough pressure on it. Okay. All right, so we're going after 1, 2, 3 bolts here. Okay, that one. 2 more to go.
So far, this one is 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Okay. Okay, 1 more bolt. Okay.
All 3 of them.
Pull the bracket out. See this bracket?
Show them the amazing bracket.
The amazing bracket.
The bracket of America.
Okay, this only goes on one way, so it shouldn't be too hard to figure out.
One way, people.
And we'll go back in here, and we should be able to lift this guy out. Alright. Now you can see the stud on the bottom, stud on the top. Alright, here's the old mount and the new mount. The old one does have some cracking on it, but I can't really see that it's blown out. Maybe it's blown out inside up top here.
Maybe.
So I'm hopeful that all this isn't for nothing. Alright, so we're going to reverse the procedure now, and we're going to drop our new mount in. Just like so. And we're going to put the bracket on first, and then put some weight on this mount before we tighten it up. Bless you. Click. 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 Okay. Those are all torqued up. Put this guy here. I'm going to let the engine down. I'm a light with me, but I can see it. I'm sure you guys can see it. Oops. A little extra torque on it. 2, 3, click. Yeah.
We got a clear view, Daddy.
Good. Very good. I'm just hoping this is the right mount. The other ones are not as easy to get to.
And considering how tight it was.
More.
You're shaking the whole cone.
It should be good.
That should be good. It's supposed Close.
Alright, there you go. It's all in there. Now we'll take it for a test drive and see how it does. And we just got back from a test drive, and it shifts perfect. There's no more clunking or vibration. So that's definitely an easy fix. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.